let me show you the procedure how to create the folder in your Google Drive and share it to the people. So you have to write here in your browser Google Drive. So you will go here, sign in, and here you will find all of your Google Drive documents. So in order to create a new folder, you have to go to My Drive, and here you have to create a folder like new folder, courses course. You name it at courses. Create. Here we go. Here is your folder. Now you have to give me the access or someone else to access to this folder. You have to click here and share and share. Okay, here you will have to grant the access anyone with these links, your viewers or commentators or editors. You have to give me the editor access so that I can add videos or delete videos there. So you have to copy this link and send me this link and click the done. So this is the way how to create a folder in your Google Drive and give someone access to this folder. Thank you very much.